you looking for a lucrative career in the hospitality or tourism industry? Welcome to Satyam International Institute of Hotel Management, located in Kanchipuram and Chennai inside Satyam Resorts premises. A one-of-a-kind institute that is housed inside a resort. At Satyam, every student gets a tab on admission that has the required study material, an initiative of Satyam towards Paperless Institute, contributing to a greener environment. The institute is associated with numerous hospitality organizations and prestigious hotels. Satyam Hotels Private Limited, over the years, has translated its rich experience in hospitality industry into an educational institution, thereby creating a direct link between the institute and the hospitality industry, naturally assuring its students with ample job opportunities and placements as well. Satyam has become a trusted name over the past decade. Satyam follows the Swiss model of education, considered one of the best in the world, that caters to the needs and demands of the industry in a very specific manner. That's why the institute has been started inside a resort and is attached to the hotel, wherein practical training for students becomes a way of life and not as a classroom learning as practiced in other institutes. Satyam takes utmost care in making the students inculcate the nuances of the trade so that they could be ready not to be just a job seeker but a job provider, which instills in them a sense of greater responsibility, thereby making them responsible, future-ready individuals of a high character. At Satyam, promotion is accorded to employees based only on performance and not on seniority basis, as is the usual norms. Hence, students who are committed to learning sincerely and are genuinely interested in the hospitality industry career can look forward to going up the corporate ladder in no time. As this industry gives opportunity to the students for a multicultural exposure, they can groom themselves with hospitality courtesies and social niceties that prepares them to work in any given global locale. Hence, students passing out of Satyam are molded comprehensively to take up any career opportunity that knocks their door, namely aviation and cabin services, tourism and travel industry, cruise ships, public relations in all sectors, event management, industrial and institutional catering, hospital administration and catering, government-owned catering departments such as railways and defense, celebrity conventions, and so on. Satyam has become a trusted name over the past decade. Study at Satyam International Institute of Hotel Management. It's time to become a job provider. Satyam, serving locally, thinking globally.